Three huge shifts all happening at the same time, and that could change affordability right here at the end of 2025 and going into the new year. The Senate just moved to reopen the federal government, which means USDA loans that were delayed during the shutdown can start moving again. And Fannie Mae just removed the 620 minimum credit score requirement for the automated approval system, starting in the middle of November. And if that wasn't enough, there's a new proposal on the table for a 50-year mortgage. Yes, 50 years to reduce monthly payments. If we haven't had the chance to meet yet, I'm Zach Jones with Keller Williams in the Zach Jones Group, and I help people every single day buy, sell, and relocate to the greater Birmingham area. So without further ado, let's dive into today's topic and break down what it could mean for you. So according to news outlets, the Senate had reached an agreement to reopen the government and restore federal funding. So during the shutdown, the USDA, which oversees rural housing loans, went into what NerdWallet called limited operation status, which can delay processing or closing files. So if the government shut down, USDA is delayed. So that means that they cannot give you a loan if you were trying to go that route. So now that they're back open, those loans can continue, which is great news if you are planning to use that type of loan. And USDA loans are one of my favorite programs. They're 0% down, low mortgage insurance, better monthly payments than FHA or conventional, and in Alabama and parts of Jefferson and Shelby counties, this could be a great opportunity for you. Next up, were you concerned if you were able to get a loan with a low credit score? Well, good news for you, Fannie Mae has officially announced that they are removing the 620 minimum credit score requirement for desktop underwritten approvals. That means no more automatic denial just based solely on your credit score. So this doesn't mean everyone below 620 can get approved. It means the system now looks at your whole financial history, payment history, job and income stability, cash flow, debt to income ratio, assets and reserves, and it judges the person, not just your credit score. I mean, I've worked with so many clients who may not have had great credit, and it took them a while to get it where it needed to be in order for them to get approved for a loan, and they missed out on a lot of houses in the meantime. So now you may not have to take the time to do that. Your past doesn't disqualify your future, so definitely consult with your local lender, and if you need recommendations, I got you. And now the curveball that nobody saw coming. There's a new proposal being discussed that would introduce a 50-year mortgage into the U.S. market. National Mortgage News reported that the Federal Housing Finance Agency, better known as the FHFA, director confirmed that they are working on the concept. And even Fox Live Now segment showed the monthly payment on a $400,000 house could drop by nearly $300 a month compared to a normal 30-year mortgage. I mean, imagine what you can do with that extra money back in your pocket. So on the screen, you can see that we've got two separate loans at the same interest rate of 6%, one at 30-year and one at 50-year. And right there, you see the payment difference. You're able to save a ton of money per month just by having a longer term. But I know what you're saying, Zach, yeah, you got 20 extra years to pay off that house. Yes, there are trade-offs, and you build equity slower, you pay more interest over time, and it hasn't been rolled out yet, so it still requires regulatory approval per Housing Wire. So who could this 50-year mortgage be for? Maybe someone who needs a lower monthly payment, somebody buying a home that plans to refinance later, or somebody who cares more about flexibility than equity speed. So is it for everyone? No. But is it another tool to make housing affordable again? Absolutely. So to wrap it all up, if you were pre-approved with a USDA loan and your file was paused, call your lender today. If you were also denied because your credit score was low, ask your lender to rerun your DU approval after November 16th. And if you're payment sensitive and want options, keep an eye out on that 50-year product. And if you're ready to become a homeowner, even if you were told no in the past, let's talk. You can schedule a free strategy session below. Thank you for watching till the end. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn that bell notification on so you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next video.